So this is the guard, okay? From here, right to get past this, we either pull the feet. Hold on. This is guard. This is side control. This is side control. This is knee on belly. Just a variation. Knee on belly just hurts a bit. Look under your back, on all fours. Like your mommy. Come on.
What?
On all fours.
Like this?
Good boy. This is back control.
Right. Head and back, right.
Body triangle, things like this here. Alright, those are the three fundamental positions. I'll just say, can you mirror back on your back. Your back. Alright, from here, where's the transition to each? Hold the legs first.
Right.
Or you can try to like spread them. And then you can do knee on thigh and then step. Side control.
Right.
Those are the two fundamental changes from guard to side control. And for back, that maybe tends to be transition or submission, or how you get them on the ground. Once they're on their back, it's sort of hard to get them off. So what I mean by that is, you get them there and you try to go for like a guillotine choke from top, and you roll them over onto their back. Or you get them in an arm bar, you lose the arm bar, but you're able to slither onto their back. Well, there's no real transitions to just lift somebody and flip you over unless you got some real beefy strength. Right. Let me see how they're doing from that. Yeah, that's really it.
I'll try and remember. I'm probably going to remember one thing, just push the side and go round the side, probably.
Yeah, or just knee on
Honestly,
knee.
yeah, okay, yeah, just try to pull it apart and do right.
And you got the gumshoes, Tony?
Just a bit. Oh, that's good.
Alright.
Oh, sure took your belt off.
I'll be alright. That's good.
Alright, man. Here. I'm bouncing in and off of you too. Figure through that. That'll grow for our balls. Come on. Slide the shoes off, slide the shoes off. Gonna partake.
Very excited.
Powered by apples.
I got them old now. It's a lot of them hard.
Used to call Barry bumpers. Because we got them drinking bottle of bumpers or 2 cans in my house. And I knew them all drinking, but the way it's easy to convince them to do something right yet. And then I Barry bumpers.
Young people, shut the fuck up. Young people. I'm like a fucking old man.
Big the dog even what that the dog did that, didn't they?
Yeah.
No, you can do it. You can use it as leverage. I'll permit it. You can walk off the wall.
It's actually on 4D.
The scene in it where he's coming down off the Ireland, but they losing him and shit. They just they got real bad, but they shoot over it. At one point, it seemed like his dead baby that
Yeah, I've never seen that bit. Yeah.
the baby like up in the ceiling.
I didn't see that. I didn't see the cockpit thing.
Does they get 180 with its head and shit.